Okay, so this is the hyper flash. This is what happens when you install an LED light in a car that senses if it's a halogen or not and there's no resistor installed. Alright, quick how-to with installing this load resistor. Really easy. One end goes onto the positive wire. Depending on the car, usually positive wire is colored in some way. Red, green, what have you, and then the negative ground wire is almost always black. So in this case it's easy. You got two wires. One end goes into one wire. So one end goes into the black, the other one goes into the green. And this Sylvania kit right here comes with everything you need. Comes with zip ties and comes with the plastic clips that you need to adapt to the wire. So real easy. Just gonna take this case is the ground wire. You can put that towards the inside, and I'm actually gonna flip this around so it's easier to close. So put it toward the inside. You take resistor wire. It's actually easier to just do it this way, where you put the wire for the light in there first, close it up. Make sure you actually seal it properly. Make sure you actually seal it properly with the clip. And then you can just slide this in there like that. And then you take this little lip right here and you close it in. Make sure you're lined up properly. Gets a little bite in there. And then you're going to need some clamps, some pliers to go ahead and clamp this closed. I'm obviously using not the best tool for this. I am out of town and staying at a friend's house, so this is all I've got. There are no tools here. And go ahead and give it a good little bite. Check to make sure it's seated. Nice and seated properly. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other side. Inside, you see these little clips right here. Those are the ones that seal it up. And make sure that you get those to clamp. And this little cap right here is the top end. There we go, that's seated. Then you grab the other end of the resistor. Let's go ahead and route that. Feed it through. Give it a little bite. You can get it to clamp by hand. I just gave it a little bit of extra love. Just because I can. All right. That's it. Now test it before you mount it. And there we go, normal pace. So the hyper flash. And that's it. And then all you do is just mount it. You can use the zip ties, or you can actually drill some holes. You know, some people on the internet said it's preferred to mount it to metal because I guess some people have mounted it to plastic and it has melted the plastic that it was mounted to. That's it. Super easy.